TUAI PAU was written by Queen Salote, and it depicts the story of the shipwreck in the Minerva Reef. It's a very interesting story, and it tells and talks about the bravery of the captain and some of the crew members that survived this shipwreck. But I would like to show you some small hand movements, and then show you the stepping of the feet, and then we go on to the choreography. Firstly, when I teach Tauranga or dancing, Tongan dancing, I like to make sure that the hands are beautiful and graceful. And firstly, I ask my students to make sure that their fingers are closed. I've seen some people sticking out their thumbs like this, which I think is not very pretty. So I think if they keep your thumb close to your fingers, I think it looks much nicer. So close your fingers. Okay, if you could hold them up like this, and then turn them in and out, in and out. As you turn in, bend your fingers halfway, and then when you take them out, open up your fingers. Again. Okay, and this is somehow to emphasize the rhythm and the time. Yes, very straightforward, gracefully. Okay, as you have all known, we move our hands across as well. We can have one hand on the top, one on the bottom, and they move across vertically, and we can also have it horizontally like this. Yeah? Then you can have it on the side here and on the side here. Okay, next is the clap and this, which we call basi. This is the basi and this is fu. Yeah? Basi, fu. So close your fingers in a cup shape like this, and then smack on each other. It has this sound. This sound is different from this sound. Yeah? Some people do this. I think that's wrong. I think the Samoans, they do this. But I think Tongans is this. And with the Lakalaka, you always start with fu e ua. So tu, fu, taha, ua. Yeah? Taha, ua. Okay, now the Faka-Teki, which usually at the end of a series of movements to mark the end of that series, or it's just a haka in itself. So it's pause and teki. So tilt to the left, tilt to the right, and bring it back quickly. Okay? So you can have it at the end of all these sequences of movements, and then at the end you go teki. Or you can just go teki like this. Okay? It's a very beautiful head movement. Okay. The other one is sometimes we close our hands like this, our fingers, and we just pull like this. And pull and pull. Yeah? So make sure you have a little turn, like a fast turn, not a whole 360, but just like halfway. Yeah? And that also emphasizes the time. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to talk about the feet movement. Once the punake calls out fu e ua, which is the very beginning of any verse, you start moving together your hands and your feet. So you step to the left with the left foot, left together, right together. Remember, this goes together with the fu. Okay, so if when the punake calls out fu e ua, left and right. Remember, left together, right together. Again, punake goes out, fu e ua, left together, right together, left together, right together. And at the end of every verse, you have to do that as well. Fu e ua at the end. And then you can go into the next verse.
Faka-Tonga Faka-Tonga